Hello JAMB 2026-2027 candidates. Are you sure you are studying the right topic for your physics exam? In this video, I will be breaking down the entire JAMB syllabus, every topic, every subtopic, so you will know exactly what to study and nothing extra. By the end, you will have a complete roadmap to score high in your JAMB Physics exam. So make sure you watch till the end and take note. Your JAMB score depends on it. When we are talking about JAMB syllabus for physics, what are the general objectives? What are the general objectives? What are those things that they will actually want you to know? The one thing they want you to know is you should be able to understand the basic physics principle. Another thing they will also require from you is to apply physics law to solve problem. And then the third thing is to interpret physics phenomena and use correct scientific unit and symbol. So those are the things that we require from you. Now, when I talk of physics JAMB syllabus, it is actually divided into 7 main sections, which are number 1, measuring and units, number 2, mechanics, number 3, properties of matter, number 4, thermal physics, number 5, waves and sound, number 6, electricity and magnetism, number 7, modern physics. Now let's dissect each topic and see what you are required to know from each of them. Number 1, when we talk of under measuring and unit, we have physical quantity and units. That's under that one we have fundamental quantities and derived quantities, and we also have SI units. We also have previous, that's previous, micro, kilo, mega and etc. We have scalar and vector quantities. Another thing that you also have to know in this aspect is measuring of length, mass and time. That's measuring instruments, meter, rolls, finer calipers, micrometer, screw gauge, errors in measurement and accuracy and precision. These are what it's under. These are what is under physical quantity and unit. That's under measuring and units. So let's continue to the second one, which is mechanics. That section B deal with mechanics. This is a major thing. This one carry the major aspect of physics exam. So under mechanics we have motion. That's under motion we have the type of motion, speed and velocity, acceleration, equation of uniform acceleration motion, graphs of motion, distance, time and velocity time. And under motion, the another thing you also learn here is force. And under the force we have type of force, we have effect of force, we have Newton laws of motions, that's first to third law of motion. And another thing we also have friction, and here also we also have terminal velocity. So still under mechanics, that's under another subtopic under mechanics we have, that's work, energy and power. And under work, energy and power we have work done, we have energy, that's kinetic and potential energy. We also have mechanical energy, and then we have law of conservation of energy, and we have power and efficiency. And then still under mechanics we also have circular motion, which is under which we have angular speed, centripetal force, application of circular motion. So, and then still under mechanics we also have gravitation. That's number 7. We have gravitation, we have Newton's law of gravitation, we have acceleration due to gravity, motion under gravity, escape velocity. You might have heard that one before, escape velocity and weightlessness. And we number 8 we also have equilibrium of force, condition for equilibrium, moment, principle of moment and couple. That's under equilibrium. So, and the last section under mechanics we also have simple mechanics. We have lever, pulleys, inclined plane, mechanical advantage, we have velocity ratio, efficiency, and then under mechanism we have elasticity, we have Hooke laws. Hooke law, we have stress and strain, elastic limit, and Young model. These are subtopics that you have to know under elasticity. And then with all these things falls under mechanism, because mechanism carry the larger part of physics exam. So now the third aspect, which is section C, we have properties of matters. That is, here we have states of matters, we have solid, liquid, and gas, kinetic theory of matter, change of states, and also we have surface tension, definition, surface tension in liquid, capillarity, and application. So under that section C, we also have that under another one we have viscosity. The definition of viscosity, they might not really ask you about the definition of viscosity. Viscosity in liquid and gas, terminal velocity, application. Another one we also have pressure, and pressure in solid, pressure in liquid, pressure in gases, atmospheric pressure, barometers. So now under section we have section D. Section D will deals with thermal fixes. Under that thermal fixes we have temperature and its measurement, we have thermometers, we have temperature scales, Celsius and Kelvin, Fahrenheit, fixed point. Another one we also have heat energy, heat and temperature, heat, specific heat capacity, latent heat, change of state. So that's under thermal fixes. So still under thermal fixes we have gas law, Boyle's law, Charles law, pressure law, that's general gas equation. We have thermal expansion, expansion of solid, expansion of liquid, expansion of gases, and their application. And then we have heat transfer, conduction, convection, and radiation, and the application of each of them. Now we have section E, which happen to be wave and sound. We have that's type of wave, properties of wave motion, reflection, and refraction. And then another one we have under that wave we also have sound waves, the production of sound, characteristics of sound, speed of sound, echoes. And then number 22 we have light and optics. We have reflection of light, refraction of light, total internal reflection, lens and mirror. Those are the subtopic we have to know under this one. Optical instrument, that's eye and camera. So now we have another major aspect that you also have to know, which happen to be that the section F, electricity and magnetism. After magnetism, the aspect that also carried the greatest marks happens to be electricity and magnetism. And the topic under this one we have electrostatics, that's electric charges, electric fields, Coulomb's law, and application for this thing. Another one we also under this electricity and magnetism we also have current electricity, we have electric current, potential difference, resistance, Ohm's law, series and parallel circuits. That's still under electricity and magnetism we have electrical energy and power, electric power, we have electric energy, domestic electricity, fuses. And we also have another one which is magnetism. Another major subtopic we have magnetism. Under that one we have magnetics, we have magnetic fields, earth magnetic fields, electromagnets. Another one we have electromagnetic induction, which is a Faraday laws, Lenz's law, transformer, AC and DC generator. And we have section G, which is the last section we have, which happen to be modern physics. Under modern physics we have energy quantization, under which we have photoelectric effect, we have wave particles duality, we have the application. Another one we have atomic and nuclear physics, under which we have structure of the atom, radioactivity, we have nuclear reaction, half-life, that we read under which we have half-life. And the last one here which happen to be electronics, under which we have semiconductors, we have diodes, we have transistors, we have rectification and their application. So these are the major thing that you have to know in physics exam. So now know that you notice something like under all these things, almost all the subjects in the physics textbook is being mentioned. But now how do you read smart? In having good score in your JAMB, you have to study smart. So now you have to focus more on mechanics because it will carry 35 to 40% of the whole exam. That's why you have to focus on mechanics. And another thing you also have to focus at the percentage distribution of this thing. That's mechanics carry 35 to 40%. We also have electricity and magnetism, which carry up to 25 to 30%. Wave and optics, it's carry 15 to 20%. Heat and matter carry 10 to 15%, and modern physics carry 5 to 10%. If you look at all these things, you notice something. You notice that mechanics carry the higher percentage of the exam quota. So what is this given to you? This is informing you that while you are trying to study, you must focus on that mechanics, electricity and wave, because those are the ones that carry the higher mark. Another one is also in terms of the exam tips also, this one also implies that physics is calculation based. You know that physics is calculation based, so you have to read and also practice past question daily. At least you are not just to read, but as you are reading, you are also practicing past question based on what you are reading daily. Another one is this, like you have to memorize formula, know how to manipulate them and understand their application. No formula, memorize formula. Physics is all about formula and how to manipulate formula to fit in, to be able to solve each question that will be given to you. Another thing that those I've said before, you have to focus more on mechanics, electricity and wave. These are the aspects that carry the majority of the question. That doesn't mean you will not study all those other parts, but at least focus on the three major ones that carry the majority of the question, so that you will not just be left stranded. Now if you enjoyed this video, please do consider to like and subscribe, and then you also to enjoy all our upcoming video. And we also do video tutorial on the other subject syllabus and what you are expected to know and understand in each of the subject syllabus. And also do you can also follow us on Telegram. That the list, you see the PDF of all this list in our Telegram channel. It's there for you to see. And also you can also join our WhatsApp tutorial group. It's actually affordable with just 1,000 naira for a woman. That is very, very affordable. You can join it. So and we tutor you, and everything will be syllabus based. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.